Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I'm here with an interesting activity. Are you all sitting along with your buddy? Oh wait, where is my buddy? Mr. Elfie. He must be listening to some nice soothing song with his big ears. Come on children, let's call my buddy Mr. Elfie. Everyone, Mr. Elfie, Mr. Elfie, where are you? Mr. Elfie. Oh, here is Mr. Elfie.
Hi, good morning everyone. Were you missing me?
Yes, everyone was missing you, Mr. Elfie. We all were waiting for you, Mr. Elfie. So now Mr. Elfie is here. We should start with our activity. But before starting, let's join our hands and close our eyes to observe 2 minutes of silence. Everyone, now slowly open your eyes. So now Mr. Elfie, do you have any activity for our kids today?
Yes, I do have one interesting activity. The name of this activity is Guess the Objects with Their Sounds. So for this activity, you need to open your big ears. Tuck, tuck. Come on, everyone, open your ears. 1 and 2.
Can you guess which vehicle make this sound? So everyone, listen to it very carefully. This is a sound of a car. What is this? This is a car. Now let's find out our next vehicle. So everyone, listen to this one very carefully. Yes, you are right. This is a sound of a motorcycle. What is this? This is a motorcycle. Now it's turn for a third vehicle. So everyone, listen to this sound very carefully. Oh wow! Yes, you guessed it right once again. This is the sound of a train. What is this? This is a train. Say bye-bye to this train. Bye. Now let's find out our next vehicle. So everyone, listen to this one very carefully. Yes, you are right. This is the sound of a... Oh, what is this? Helicopter. What is this? This is a helicopter. Say bye-bye to this helicopter. Bye. So now let's find out what's next. Everyone, listen to this sound very carefully. Can you guess the animal? Yes, it's our favorite animal. It's a dog. What is this? This is a dog. And dog says, bow bow. What the dog says? Bow bow. Now let's hear what's next. So everyone, open your ears and listen to the sound very carefully. Oh wow! I know which animal makes this sound. Do you all know? Yes, it's a... Oh, what is this? It's a cat. Which animal is this? This is a cat. And cat says meow. Cat says meow. What is this? This is a cat. And the sound of cat is meow. So, after dog and cat, let's find out which animal is next. Now let's hear what's next. So everyone, open your ears and listen to the sound very carefully. Wow, you all guessed it right once again. This time it's a... What is this? This time it's a cow. Which animal is this? This is a cow. And cow says... Everyone tell me. Cow says... Moo. Now everyone sit very attentively and do not move, because the sound of this animal is very loud and fierce. Do you want to hear the sound? Everyone, listen to the sound very carefully. Oh, I'm so scared. Can you all guess which animal makes such sound? I guess I've seen this animal in a zoo. Yes, you are right. It's a lion. The lion makes such sound. The lion roars very loudly. See, which animal is this? This is a lion. Everyone roared like a lion. So, after vehicles and animals, do you know what's next? No. So everyone, listen to the sound very carefully. Yes, this is the sound of a bell. What is this? This is a bell. Now I will show you one more object. What is this? This is a table clock. Do you want to know what is the sound of this table clock? The sound of this table clock is... See, the alarm is ringing. So I will switch it off. Now the alarm went off. The alarm is on. And the alarm is off. Now I will show you one more interesting object. Do you want to know which object is that? Yes. Wait, I will show you. Oh wow! Is this an egg? It looks like an egg, but this is called an egg shaker. And do you know what is the sound of this egg shaker? Listen to the sound of this egg shaker very carefully. The sound of egg shaker is... Now let me show you one more interesting object. Do you want to know which object is that? Oh wow! What is this? Is this a bat? No, this is a musical instrument, just like the egg shaker. This musical instrument is called a hand tambourine. Do you want to listen to this instrument? Yes. So everyone, open your ears and listen to the sound very carefully. The sound of shaker was... But the sound of this hand tambourine is... I have one more interesting object for you. Do you want to know what is this? This is called ghungru. And do you want to hear the sound of this ghungru? Yes. So everyone, listen to the sound very carefully. Isn't it very soothing? So what is this? This is a ghungroo. Okay. So now we have come to the end of this interesting activity. By now you must have identified so many objects with their sound.
Thank you, students. Now go and explore different objects that are there in your house and see what all sounds do they make.